This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting power and connection right. Plug the supplied USB cable and charge the microphone until the LED indicates full. This prevents mid-session drops. Once charged, press and hold power for about 3 seconds to enter Bluetooth pairing mode. The LED will flash. On your phone or tablet, turn on Bluetooth, scan, and choose Core Innovations mic. Make sure audio output switches to the mic. Once done, play a short test clip so you confirm audio routing before adjusting settings. Once connected, shape the sound. Start with mic volume at mid-position and music level lower, then sing and increase incrementally to avoid distortion. Use the echo knob sparingly to add presence. Too much obscures lyrics. Open your Karaoke app and set app volume to about 70 to 80% so the mic handles gain smoothly. If available, tweak EQ for bass or treble to suit your voice. Also put your phone on Do Not Disturb so notifications do not interrupt the session. Finish by testing and saving your performance. Hit record in the Karaoke app, do a full run, then save or export the file in MP3 or WAV format for sharing. When you're done, power off the microphone to end the Bluetooth session and store it with the USB cable in a dry case. If something goes wrong, first ensure battery is charged, Bluetooth is paired to the correct device, mic and app volumes are up, and update firmware if available. That resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.